Good morning, fellow traders. It's Wednesday, 12th of March, and this is pre-market hours on the 1-hour chart here on Curious Combo Trading Deck. What a week to be on the markets. Ukraine-Russian war ceasefire negotiations at Jeddah, Saudi Arabia, gave us some light hope on the upward momentum here late last night. After market US hours. The stochastics are very confused, obviously. A slight hope as we're looking into the 30-day ceasefire. The cards are now on Russian side. Should they accept the terms, what they have been offered? If they come to fruition, this might really skyrocket the DAX. Be very alerted, cautious on what's going to happen. It will move either way. And today also is the core CPI 8:30 up until 10 o'clock a.m. in New York. Core CPI and year-over-year consumer price index will heavily move the markets and bring us some true volatility today. And so you gotta be very alerted on the day's events. Afternoon European time from 3 o'clock onwards until 7 o'clock p.m. the markets will move heavily, if not or already earlier, with the ceasefire negotiations. But we are not taking our trades on the hourly chart at all. 15-minute and 5 minutes are the go-to time frames for us here on Curious Combo. So yesterday the market kicked off a little bit in the late evening. It has cooled down, obviously. The recession news still loom in US. Tariff wars are ongoing, but European markets are driven and will be driven with the Jeddah negotiations. This is 15 minutes. Nevertheless, 5 minutes. The oscillators have been grouped to the upside with some slight momentum, half an hour momentums like this. This doesn't pretty much tell us not yet anything on what's going to happen when the markets open at 10:15 local time here, but this is where we take our trades. And if you're new to the channel, what we're watching here is that we have two stochastics overlaid on top of each other. We have the slow one with values 66, 3, and 3 here on the screen. They might be, if you want to smooth it out, it might be 66, 5, and 5. And then after that gives us the confirmation on the overall sentiment, like here yesterday, we get the confirmation with fast-moving stochastic with the values 23.3 or 25.5. So when the stochastics move together to one direction, that's a sign for long or short, depending on the market momentum. Here yesterday, you were able to ride these waves on 5 to 30 minutes, the stochastics grouping together. And this is how we take our trades here on the channel. This is what we're doing. We take first our overall sentiment, the macroeconomic and the daily time frame, and we always move gradually lower to take our positions according on the 15 and 5-minute level. We're now looking and we still have our range here. All-time highs are 23,481 and now it went and touched this 22,240. There was a previous 15-minute range here in between, but this is what it shows on the daily time frame. The bigger picture has been valid here as the price momentum has exhausted, and now we have been ranging for today, Wednesday 12th, and from late February, the range has formed here between these 23,400 and 22,200. DAX has been on a very strong uptrend on the daily time frame. And then drilling down to 1 hour, this is what the top of the range looks like on the hourly time frame. Should you be swing trading, this is how you can do it as well with the stochastics, but this gives us the intraday perspective and where to position yourself when you put your money on the market. Okay, so today, very high and volatile day. Surely opportunities to make money on the market. Watch those stochastics, read your news, stay alerted within 5, 15 to 30-minute levels. The market can make very sudden moves today, so be very cautious, trade smart, stay with the news, and hit that like button to notify more traders about our strategy. Okay, guys, have a good day on the markets, and I'll see you tomorrow.